It's kind of creepy, I'm not going to lie.
Yeah. Alligators?
They're cool.
I like SuppressedFest.
Oh,
pretty
SuppressedFest was super fun last year.
Yeah. And thanks to Adam at NFAReview channel and us as the title sponsors, we're doing it again this year. 2 weeks from now, down in Leesburg, Florida, you can meet us and all the other fine folks with cans represented here. Try everything out, hang out with us. We'll have some deals. Be a great time.
I'm excited.
Me too.
How excited are you?
Like, on a scale of like 1 to 10, probably a 13.
19.
And then the hot fireman there, I mean, Jesus.